Ano ba ang main point ng pinuputok ng butsi mo?
Doon sa forum,
No,
pumunta ako
the
doon
film
para...
itself, the film. The film. Why, what was the, how, what was so objectionable about how Manuel Quezon was portrayed in the film? I'm sorry, I did not watch it, so I cannot, really speak about it either.
It's just was portrayed in a very bad light. Tapos, wala namang pinakitang maganda. So, hindi naman na para pabaguhin siya o pagandahin siya. Pero, I mean, it would have been nice if they had a bit of balance.
Sorry?
Balance.
Sana na-balance na kaunti.
Aha.
Diba? Kasi, yun nga, one-sided eh. Tapos, napanood ko, kasi naimbita ako ng mga block screening eh, di ba? Iniimbita ako ng, yung una, mga Quezon City architects. So I went, they made me talk before, tapos napanood ko. A couple of days later, inimbita ako ng mga Quezonian groups. 3 cinema yun, so I spoke in 3 cinemas before the movie. Pagkatapos, pero noon, meron may spoiler alert na ako sa kanila na, uy, pinalalabas kami mga parang magnanakaw dito, lolo ko. So, hindi kami mga nepo baby, yun ang sinabi ko. Tapos, okay, the second time, nakita ako doon sa mga Quezonian, daning na asiwa. Wala nagpapalakpakan. Tapos pag-uwi ko, yun na, nakita ko na sa social media, grabe na yung bashing. At grabe talaga. So, yun, na-feeling ko, wait, let me confront. Makikiano ko. Diba? Talk, question and answer. Alamin ko kung ano ang kanilang punto de vista. Pero ang talagang kinaputok na ang putsi ko dyan, na yung producer, si Ed Rocha, claimed that the movie is a satire, a political satire. Kung gano'n naman pala, yun ang gusto ko itanong. So, punta na ako doon, nanood ako, first question ako. Sabi ko, dahil senior na ako. So, ako nauna. Ang tanong ko yun, is this satire? Ang sagot, yes. Wow, nagulat ako. I would have thought they would have had more artistic and moral integrity to stand by their work. Pero hindi. Umpisa pa lang, may disclaimer na. This is fiction, etc., etc. Yung disclaimer. Pagkatapos, yun. Satire naman pala eh. So I really was not expecting that. Because it's coming across as a historical biopic. So, ayun. Napa-research nga tuloy ako. Alam ko naman ang ibig sabihin ng satire. Pero ito pala ang simple definition. The art of making someone or something look ridiculous. Raising laughter in order to embarrass, humble, or discredit its targets. Tapos, ang translation sa Tagalog, panunuya. Kaya sabi ko, siguro, in today's lingo, ang translation niya, ikaw naman, di ka na mabiro, joke lang eh. So sabi ko, ito, pumutok na ako, sabi ko, bakit pa tayo magdidiskusyon dito? Joke lang pala ito. Eto na ngayon. Ito naman si Checo. And I saw Checo before the screening. 3 beses ko na nakilala yan. Doon sa moon, basta several times. Tapos pinupuri ko, I like him. I like his portrayal of Lolo. Magaling. Pero nung tumayo siya, na pinatatahimik ako, at ang tanong niya, ang sabi niya, there is a time and place for everything. My God, be damned. I'll be damned if a Quezon in a movie house where there's a question and answer forum about Quezon, the movie, cannot ask a question. If that is not the time and the place, I don't know where or what is. So, ayun, munti ko lang suguran eh. Hanggang naalala ko, 65 years old na pala ako. Kaya-kaya ako dyan.